Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting and informative video for all PlayStation 3 enthusiasts. We will go into the world of PS3 jailbreaking using an HFS server. If you are ever wanted to unlock the full potential of your PS3 and enjoy a wide range of homebrew applications and games, this is the video for you. So let's get started. Before we begin, it is essential to understand that jailbreaking can void your warranty and might carry some risks. Proceed at your own discretion. Now let's move on to setting up the HFS server. Here we need some HFW and CFW update files in these folders. This folder contains HFW update software and this folder contains the flash writer files. We will be using HFS to transfer files to the PS3, so go ahead and download the HFS software on your computer. Next we will need to prepare a USB drive to load the custom firmware onto our PS3. Now we will copy it to the USB to install the latest hfw.pup file. And well, the folder contains the structure of the flash writer essential files here. After the jailbreak process is complete, we will install this latest 4.90 custom firmware in the PlayStation 3. Now I'm going to connect the USB to the computer. Format the USB drive to FAT32. Installing HFW software is an essential part of this process. So we will copy and paste this into the root of a USB drive with the same structure. Or you can create a new folder named PS3 in the root directory. Inside the PS3 folder, create another folder named update. Copy and paste the hfw.pup file in the update folder. Now for an HFW system update, USB is ready. When complete, eject the USB from the hardware icon. If we let you check PlayStation 3, it is on the official system update of 4.90 and is not jailbroken. Now let's move on the setting up the HFS server. First, make sure your PS3 and computer are connected to the same network. This process is only for connecting PlayStation 3 to your computer. To transfer files to the PS3 computer, PS3 system should be on the same network. Now we will connect the USB to the PS3 in which the HFW system update was copied. Insert the USB drive into the PS3 USB port closest to the Blu-ray drive. Now we will go to the system update and install the HFW system update. Currently it is on the 4.90 HFW update. Because finally we need the CFW update software, so we will prepare the USB for this update. So here we need this PS3 folder from this EvilNet Cobra folder. The earlier PS3 folder has been deleted from the USB. So we need to copy and paste the PS3 folder from the CFW 4.90 EvilNet Cobra folder into the root of the USB. Here it is with CFW update.pup file in the update folder. Eject the USB from the computer and put it back into the PS3. If you look carefully, the next step is not very difficult but interesting. We need only to deal with these files on the PlayStation if these files be shared in the PS3 system. For this, just you need to run this hfs.exe from your computer, press the Run tab, right click on the left box and select Add folder from disk. Here select the PS3 Flash Writer 4.90, press the OK button and finally the real folder. The last step is to note down this IP address to put into the address bar of the PlayStation browser. Going back to the PlayStation, and need to run the internet browser. After pressing the start button, type the same IP address in the address bar. Press the start button again. This menu will pop up on the screen. Go to PS3 Flash Writer 4.90 and click on it. Click on the NOR and NOR tab depending on the console. In my case, the PlayStation has a NOR memory chip. So I have to click on this button. Click the Run Check tab button. After the check is complete, it will dump the NOR chip data into the USB drive. Click on the download and save option to save it on the system drive. It will take some time here, so be patient. By the grace of God, everything will be fine, so let's move on. The NOR patching process will begin as we proceed with patch NOR flash memory. Here we have to reboot the PlayStation and install the custom firmware of our choice. We will shut down the machine. Okay, restart it. This is where the real magic happens. Insert the USB drive into the PS3's USB port closest to the Blu-ray drive. The PS3 will detect the custom firmware on the USB drive. Follow the on-screen instructions to initiate the jailbreaking process. It may take a few minutes, but once completed, your PS3 will restart with the new custom firmware installed. Congratulations, you have successfully jailbroken your PS3 with the HFS server. Now let's explore the world of homebrew apps. Homebrew apps are user-created software that can be installed on a jailbroken PS3 to enhance functionality and add new features. You can find a wide range of homebrew apps online, from media players to emulators. One of the benefits of jailbreaking your PS3 is the ability to play backup games directly from the hard drive. This means you can load your favorite games onto an external hard drive or the PS3's internal hard drive and enjoy them without the need of discs. However, keep in mind that downloading or distributing copyrighted material is illegal. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting videos. Happy gaming, and until next time.